In this tutorial I will show you how to make a super simple scarf. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn the basic crochet stitches. What you'll need is 2 balls of lion brand, touch of alpaca and crochet hook 10mm. You can find the written pattern on my blog wilma.com. The link is in the description below. Start with making 27 chains and turn your work. Make a double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook. And make a single crochet in the next stitch. This is what we are going to do for the entire scarf. We make 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch and 1 single crochet stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this till the end of the row, and we will end the row with a single crochet stitch in the last stitch. We chain 3, turn our work and repeat the same steps. So work 1 double crochet stitch in the single crochet stitch from the previous row and work 1 single crochet stitch in the next stitch, which is the double crochet stitch from the previous row. Make sure you're always working the double crochet stitch in the single crochet stitch and the single crochet stitch in the double crochet stitch. And that's basically it. It's very simple but with a beautiful outcome. Repeat this until row 140 or till you think the scarf is long enough. When you're done with the scarf, you can add fringes which give a finishing touch. Cut 4 strands, which are 40 cm or 15.5 inch, and hold all 4 strands together. Fold in half and insert your hook in the first double crochet stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over. Pull all ends through the loop on your hook. And now use your fingers to pull gently and secure the stitch. You can add fringes to all double crochet stitches on both ends of the scarf. And that's it. I hope you liked this simple and short tutorial. I would love to know if you're going to make this scarf. So let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free and this way you will get notifications when I upload new patterns. Hope to see you next time. Bye!